You know, I was told at one time I slept in a dresser drawer. I assume my kids are fortunate not have to. I guess I just intend to do better than those before me. You should want to as well. Learn from history. All those things that happen till you know it takes umpteen times to learn how not to create a light bulb. And one time to learn how to create a light bulb. It's time to turn a light bulb on. It's time to get it done. We are not our predecessors. Our technology and our independence is a united idea at the same time. The possibilities to our own history. Come and join me.